In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever.
What's up, guys? It is another insanely beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Miami Beach, and today we have invited a few of our Miami friends over to try some Filipino Bicol Express. Huge exciting news on the channel. We just hit 30,000 subscribers, and that's mainly thanks to all of you out there watching, so a huge thank you to you guys. Let's head down to the pool and get started. But seriously, what is up with this amazing weather we have today in Miami Beach, guys?
Come on, you can't do that.
I gotta introduce you.
Like amazing.
I gotta introduce you to the audience.
Yes, of course. Hi.
So these are our good friends,
Luis, Adela.
Adela Luz.
Adela Lewis. You guys are bloggers too, right?
Yes, I blog about beauty and lifestyle.
I do real estate in Miami. I sell Miami, that's what I do.
There you go. On a scale from 1 to 10, how excited are you to try Filipino food?
Oh my God. I don't remember the last time I had Filipino food, and I really want to try it. So I'm gonna genuinely tell you what I think about it.
All right. So
Me
you
too.
excited for the pig face today?
Yes, yes.
Oh my God, what?
Hi guys. At least you're having a chance
These
to
two
get
guys
ready.
are back to the vlogs again. So
Yeah.
you ready?
We live here now, so you'll be seeing a lot more of it.
Exactly. Are you guys psyched for some more Filipino food?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I booked my flight to the Philippines next week.
Ah.
We're moving there for the rest of our lives.
So today you're actually going to try proper Filipino food, because last time it was more like Filipino fast food. So
Yeah. Well, you set the standard high last time, so don't disappoint.
So today it's actually not me cooking. Today it's Nelly
cooking.
So I researched the recipe for her to cook, and
He chose a really simple one, so I can't mess it up.
Bicol Express is
Does that
everything
mean
else
it's actually
but
gonna be
simple.
good this time?
I need some sunscreen because I just got burned. So tell us, guys, what are you doing here?
We're actually taking pictures for a product that I'm gonna be promoting next week.
Cool. So I'll link everybody in the description down below. You should all go and check out the Instagram accounts and the YouTube channels. Really beautiful content, really fun to watch. And if you're asking yourself, do Mike and Nelly only have beautiful friends?
Yes.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Nelly, are you ready to prepare the food?
Yes, I am. Welcome to Cooking with Nelly.
Oh, nice.
Today we are cooking Bicol Express for our friends, and we thought it's a very nice idea to make Bicol Express because it's very easy to prepare, actually.
Yeah, and many people recommended it.
Yeah,
right?
many people recommended it in the comment section on our last videos where we made lechon kawali and chicken adobo, and a lot of people said we should do Bicol Express as well.
Exactly, and then next is going to be sisig and
Yeah, let's see.
sinigang.
You guys can
Yeah, keep telling
on
us.
commenting.
We go by the most comments.
Yeah, I'm just starting with a huge pot. We decided to do it outside because it's beautiful today. Whoa. I love the smell of onions. So this goes in here. I'm going to leave it on until it gets a little bit brown, and then I will add some coconut milk and coconut cream. And now we are adding the coconut milk. Ooh, beautiful. And I'm adding some coconut cream. So this is a high calorie dish. Make sure you work out after this. Then we will take out the meat, cut it into cubes and put it in here. Okay, I know you guys probably thought, oh my god, she forgot the shrimp paste. Yes, I forgot. We don't have shrimp paste here. We tried to find it, but it was impossible. So we substituted with anchovy paste.
Exactly. Let us know in the comments down below if that is remotely okay to do or not.
And I should have put this before I put the coconut milk in the just to get rid of the fish taste, or like not to get rid of, but like reduce.
Make it less harsh.
Yeah. So I'm just adding it right now.
Oh guys, and Mark has joined us. Mark Ruffalo.
Don't make him.
Kevin doesn't like the remarks about Mark Ruffalo, but
Because it didn't come from you, it came from your viewers.
yeah,
What are you guys cooking?
it's Bicol Express.
Coconut, milk, and pork?
Yeah. Does it sound good,
Sounds delicious.
Johnny?
Leave him alone before he turns green.
Next up, we are taking the meat that we grilled, and I'm cutting it into cubes, and then I'm adding it to the coconut milk.
Pork is sautéed and chopped, grilled and chopped, and ready to go into the dish.
Yeah, I need the girls
Yes.
for the thumbnail.
The girl. Oh yeah, girls for the thumbnail.
There we go. You just have to be very careful because it's a lot of pork here. Ow! See? I burnt myself.
Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Alright, so I was told that if you do Bicol Express, it should be spicy. So we have some chilies over here that I'm going to add to this dish, perhaps, and I will add the rest a little bit later on. I think this is already very nice.
It was an owner's dinner.
This is a lot.
Oh yeah.
This is a Filipino portion? Okay.
No, that's a good amount. Good amount. Well, Nelly,
Yeah?
we're gonna
It's good.
share, okay?
You like it?
It's good, yeah.
More spicy.
It's not the same as that koali that we ate the other day.
You like the
'Cause
lechon more?
Yeah. Because this is very lean. So this is probably, well, except for the coconut.
Because we're in Miami.
And the other thing that doesn't make this as fun is it doesn't spit at you while you're cooking.
I can spit at you.
Yeah, I can kick you in the nuts. Ooh. Very good, Nelly.
Thank you,
Really good.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Gotta keep it hot. Is this hot? Is it hot, Kevin?
Put it in my mouth.
It's not hot at all. Put it in your mouth.
That was so messed up.
It's so good.
I've never felt such betrayal.
So you guys like it?
Cocoa, peppers.
The
Yeah.
coconut's really good on it. It's like strong, but it's good. I love it.
What
I
else
love
is
it.
in
It's
it?
saucy. Give me.
What else is in it?
There's a lot of chilies in it.
There's not a lot of chilies.
It's
in
not
There is.
spicy.
There's a whole.
Really?
There's like 3 habanero. There's 3
Habanero.
jalapenos and 3 red chilies in
Maybe
it.
all that alcohol.
I don't
probably
taste
didn't grab
it.
the right one.
Taste buds.
I think it's the coconut milk.
Yeah, it like
neutralizes the spiciness. So you guys like it?
It's been like 3 hours. It's really good.
But are you just being polite, or do you
No,
really?
no, it's good.
Yeah.
I really like it with the coconut milk. It's really like it's unique. It's not like
I want this for us.
Like,
I like it.
it's good enough that I'm gonna cancel my dinner reservations tonight.
no.
I have to say, I've never really had authentic Philippine
Oh my
food,
god. What the hell?
so I wanna check it out.
You know what? I believe this is still very far from authentic, but
Okay.
it'll give you like a sense of Filipino
A
food.
good idea. Okay.
So I'm
Because
not-
by the way, in Cuba we eat pork a lot, but it's
Yeah.
cooked very different and it's got different spices. So.
And it smells really good.
What do you mean? I ate the pasta.
At what time? We went to the gym today. Why was-
Was it good?
I have to say, I don't know if it's the mixture with the rice and the meat, but definitely tastes healthy. The meat is very tender. It tastes that coconut, right? Like it's got coconut or something?
Yeah, it's got a lot of coconut in.
Approve.
I will absolutely eat this right now. Completely. Okay, let's go. Very good. You did a very good job. What I'm gonna say is, throughout this whole dish, I was very skeptical about how it's gonna taste, just because it lacks certain components of a balanced dish, which is pairing the sourness with the sweetness, with the heftiness of the meat, but it comes together very nicely. It reminds me a little bit of a Russian dish that's called stroganoff.
Yeah?
It has that creamy aspect. The coconut disappears after a while, the coconutty taste. It is good, but at the same time, I agree with Kevin. The lechon kawali was much better, and I also like the
I like the chicken adobo also a little bit more. I find this is a really good dish, but there are much better Filipino dishes out there, in my opinion. Nelly did a phenomenal job. It's very well put together, this dish. It is really good.
Thank you. You helped me a lot, Mike. I was very nervous. Oh yeah. It's very creamy. You're so right. It reminds me so of beef stroganoff. I should not talk with my mouth full. That's what she said.
Ellie,
Yes,
how you liking it?
I like it. I just said to Mike, it really reminds me a lot of beef stroganoff. From the texture, kind of like.
But you guys hid those chili peppers in there. I didn't get it on the top. I just got coconut, and it hit me, man. It's like now I feel it. And you know, it has a lot more like punch.
And I was really.
It's like Manny Pacquiao knocking out Golden Boy.
I was
Little
really-
Filipino reference right there, baby.
When we hit 50,000 subscribers
Yeah.
before August 1st,
Yes. Then we will do.
we will make our own lechon.
Yeah, here in Miami.
Like the real deal.
The real
well,
deal?
it depends wherever we are in this world, because we don't know where we're going to be.
Oh,
We might be in the Philippines, because we're going back to the Philippines. We might be in India.
that's true.
We might be in Europe. We could be anywhere. But wherever we are, as soon as, not where if we hit, as soon
Yeah.
as we hit 50,000, we're going to make our own freaking lechon. And we need you guys to contribute to our lechon recipe. Let us know
Yeah.
down below in the description how to prepare it. You know, what goes into it, the preparation, all that stuff, so we can really do it.
And also Kevin is right behind us, Mr. Mark Ruffalo.
Mr. Rock, I
You didn't
think...
come up with Mark Ruffalo. You had to have your viewers say Mark Ruffalo.
No, but when we saw
I'm working out too. Wait till you see me in about 3 months.
when we watched Infinity War, we both looked at each other and were like, yeah.
Yeah, like that's Kevin. Why is Kevin in the movie?
I would
But I
believe
think
you if
I-
you weren't
I would like to call you Mark Scruffalo.
Mark Scruffalo. A little scruffy around the edges.
Okay, so wherever we are, when we hit 50K, Kevin is flying in to tell us how to prepare the lechon.
Guys,
Because he's a pro.
great job at cooking it. Let's do it again. Let's do
Yes.
it again. Very good.
I
I'm gonna go get my guitar because I want to go
Oh yeah.
play. Ciao.
I think what would be fun is having Americans eating the food and then trying to pronounce it in
Properly.
Tagalog.
In Tagalog.
In Tagalog, like
Yeah.
because it seems like the Filipino commenters, they're definitely intent on correcting you and telling you, okay, it's not goat bile soup, it's
Yeah.
papietan. I don't even know if I said that correctly.
Oh, look at you.
All right, so I've been holding this camera up for like 10 minutes, so I'm grabbing some more food.
You know what?
You looked like you wanted to say something.
Oh, I was trying to listen to what you were saying.
Aw, you guys are so cute. So good. All right, bye guys. See you around.
Not everybody has the ability to sing, but playing an instrument is a special talent. You have the ear for that, right?
So in every good Miami Beach day ends with a beautiful Miami sunset, right?
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. This is one of those rare moments in life that you have to just appreciate and just dive into and love, right?
Yeah, I agree.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me